What is sin theta, dear students? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta, base by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite by base. Three basic trigonometric functions. What are the three basic trigonometric functions? Sin, cos, tan. So cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So in the place of opposite put 4, in the place of base put 3. Missing number is 5. Write that as hypotenuse. So cos square theta plus sin square theta or sin square theta plus cos square theta. One and the same. You know a plus b is same as. Welcome to the session, dear students. Today we'll go ahead with the problems of trigonometric functions. See, to start with exercise 13.2, first let me summarize the basic definition of trigonometric function. If you take any right angled triangle, say this is a right angled triangle. So this is theta, the angle, and if I name it as A, B, C, opposite to theta, we call it as opposite side. This is opposite side. And this is 90 degrees. Opposite to 90 degrees, we call it as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And this is base. Base is also called as adjacent. Opposite side, which is opposite to the angle. And opposite to 90 degrees, we call it as hypotenuse. This is base. And basic three trigonometric functions. The first thing is sin theta. What is sin theta? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is sin? Opposite by hypotenuse. Here, what is opposite here? AB divided by hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse in this? AC. Then cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse, or we say base by hypotenuse. Adjacent. So base is also called as what? Adjacent. Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is base by hypotenuse, BC divided by AC in this diagram. And tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite side divided by base. Opposite side by what? Base. Or we can also say adjacent. Opposite means what? AB divided by BC. These are the three basic trigonometric functions. So sin theta, cos theta and tan theta. What is sin theta, dear students? Opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta, base by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite by base. And for the angle, opposite side is called as opposite. And for 90 degrees, opposite is hypotenuse. And the base is the side on which 90 degrees and theta lands. So this you should know. And we have three reciprocals. So reciprocal for sin theta, reciprocal is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta means 1 by sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is what? Cosecant theta, or reciprocal of cosecant theta is sin theta. And secant theta. What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. Secant is 1 by cos theta. Then cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. So these they are reciprocal. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. First make a note of all these things. First, three basic trigonometric functions. What are the three basic trigonometric functions? Sin, cos, tan. And three reciprocals. What are the three reciprocals? Cosecant, secant, cot. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sin theta. Secant is the reciprocal of cos theta. Cot is the reciprocal of tan theta. And then we have identities. Three identities of trigonometry what you studied in high school. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And further 1 plus cot square theta is what? Cosecant square theta. So we call these three as what? Identities. So just I am summarizing what you already learnt in your high school. We call them as what? Identities. Three identities I wrote. What are the three identities? So trigonometric identities are what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is cot. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. Three trigonometric functions, three reciprocals, three identities. And also tan can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta, if you divide sin theta by cos theta, so dear students, you can observe sin theta divided by cos theta. If I do, hypotenuse cancels, it will be opposite by hypotenuse or opposite by base, that is tan. Similarly, cot is cos by sin, reciprocal. So these are the basics. First you become thorough with the basics, make a note of it, Now we'll do the problems. I hope all of you understood this. So now they give sin theta is 3 by 5. So they give sin theta is equal to 3 by 5. Now they want you to find all other trigonometric functions. That's it. So now first, all of you know sine definition. What is sine, dear students? Sine means opposite side divided by hypotenuse. What is sine theta? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So first we'll draw a right angled triangle. This is a right angled triangle. This is theta, and I call this as AB, opposite to this, and this is BC. So this AP is what? AB is opposite side, and this is adjacent, hypotenuse. This is what? Hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degrees is hypotenuse. So they give this theta, opposite side, in the place of opposite we have 3. In the place of hypotenuse we have 5, and this is adjacent. So 3, 5, the missing number will be 4. 3, 5, 4 we call them as Pythagorean triplets. 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. So this will become 4, and what we call that as base. So directly we can write. So or otherwise use Pythagoras theorem. So you know AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So now rearrange it. What is AC? AC is 5. 5 square is equal to what is AB? 3 square plus BC square. BC square, we don't know BC, so we need to find. So rearrange. 25 minus 9 is equal to BC square, or BC is equal to what? BC square is 4 and BC is what? BC square is 16, sorry. 25 minus 9, BC is root 16. Root 16 is 4. This is how we'll get. Or you remember 3, 4 and 5 are Pythagorean triplets. 3 and 5 are given. So they give sin theta. What is sin? 3 by 5. So sin theta definition, opposite by hypotenuse. In the place of opposite write 3 because they have given 3. In the place of hypotenuse write 5. Use Pythagoras theorem like this and get the BC value. BC value will be 4. So now we got opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse. Now you can write any trigonometric function. So now what is cos theta? So all the trigonometric functions will write. 6 trigonometric functions are there. Cos theta. Cos theta means what? Base by hypotenuse. What is cos definition I give? Adjacent by hypotenuse or base by hypotenuse. This by this. So in the diagram, what is base? Base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So 4 by 5. And then tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Tan means opposite by base or opposite by adjacent. Means this side by this side. So that is opposite side is 3, adjacent is 4. So tan theta is 3 by 4. Then remaining are reciprocal. So cosecant theta. What is cosecant theta? Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Cosecant is 1 by sin. So take reciprocal of 3 by 5. For 3 by 5 reciprocal is what? Reverse of it. 5 by 3. And then secant theta. What is secant theta? Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. What is cos theta? 4 by 5. So secant is 5 by 4. Then, so now we know sine, cos, tan, cosecant, secant, cot. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. So tan is 3 by 4, cot is 4 by 3. They wanted all trigonometric functions. I wrote all trigonometric functions. Now we'll go to the next question. So in next question, tan theta is 4 by 3. Theta is acute. Find cosecant and secant. They want only cosecant theta and secant theta. For that, first let me construct the triangle. So I'll draw a right angled triangle. This is theta. And I'll name it as A, B and C. And they give, this is opposite to theta, we call it as opposite side. And opposite to 90 degrees, we call it as hypotenuse. And we call this as what? Base. So now they give tan theta. They have given tan theta. Since they gave tan theta, so tan theta they gave 4 by 3. But you know tan theta definition. What is tan theta, dear students? Tan theta is opposite by base. So I'll write opposite divided by base. Opposite by base. So in the place of opposite we have 4. So in the place of opposite write 4. Base. In the place of base I'll write 3. So now we need to find AC. For that, try it from triangle ABC, apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. So that is AB is what? A to B is opposite, that is 4 square plus BC. What is BC? 3 square. So this is 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9, all of you know 29. This is 25. This is AC square. So AC square you got. What is AC? AC is root 25 and root 25 is exactly 5. So now this side unknown, just now we got, what is this? 5. Or dear students, I told you already, 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. Since they give 4 and 3, the missing number is 5, you can write. So this makes your process faster. 3, 4, 5 are what? Pythagorean triplets. So we call them as Pythagorean triplets. So 3, 4 are given, missing number has to be 5, missing side hypotenuse will become 5, directly you can write. But if any other number they give, you use Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Now we got tan theta. They want you to find cosecant theta and secant theta. They want cosecant theta and secant theta. So first I'll write sin theta, because sin theta reciprocal is cosecant theta. Sin means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. And cosecant they want. Therefore cosecant theta is reciprocal of it. What is cosecant theta? Reciprocal of 4 by 5, that is 5 by 4. And cos theta. What is cos theta? Base by hypotenuse. Base is 3, hypotenuse is 5, 3 by 5. So secant theta is the reciprocal of this. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So they want cosecant theta and secant theta. Cosecant is 5 by 4 and secant is 5 by 3. I hope all of you understood this. So they wanted you to find cosecant and secant. We got the value of cosecant and secant. So just complete the triangle. So first draw a right angle triangle and assign what is given. Here tan was given. What is tan? 4 by 3. Tan means what? Opposite by base. Opposite is 4 and base is 3. So in the place of opposite put 4, in the place of base put 3. Missing number is 5. Write that as hypotenuse. And then you can define sine. Sine means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. 4 by 5. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Cosecant is 5 by 4. And cos is what? 3 by 5. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. That is secant. So secant and cosecant we got. What is the basic here? What is cosecant, dear students? Cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Become thorough with this, no confusion. And secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So first find cos and reverse it. So you'll get secant. First find sin and reverse it. You'll get cosecant. That's it. Then now secant is 2 by root 3. A is acute. Then find sin A and tan A. They want you to find sin A and tan A. And again, let me construct a triangle. So let me take a triangle. Say ABC is the triangle where AC is the hypotenuse and theta is the angle here. And you know this side we call it as opposite side, and this side we call it as base, and this side we call it as what? Opposite to 90 degrees is what? Hypotenuse. So now they gave secant. So given in the problem they have given secant A. What is secant? In spite of theta they told A. So angle they gave A. So in spite of theta I'll take it as what? A. Take it as A. Now secant A they gave. Secant A is 2 by root 3. If you know secant, can't you find cos? All of you know cos is the reciprocal of secant and secant is the reciprocal of cos. So this implies directly without triangle you can write cos. So what is cos? Cos in spite of theta we have A. Secant A is 2 by root 3. Cos A is root 3 by 2. Cos A is reciprocal. So now we got cos A. But you know the definition of cos A. They are not interested in cos, but we know the definition of cos. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. So you got base value. What is base? Root 3. And you also got hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? 2. Now we should find AB. So we'll use Pythagoras theorem. If you use Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. And AC value you know to 2 square. AB value you know, what is AB? Root 3. AB value we need to find. So AB square plus BC square. So B to C they gave, what is that? Root 3 the whole square. Rearrange. 2 square is 4 is equal to AB square, which we don't know. Root 3 the square root cancels 3 and AB square becomes 4. Bring 3 to this side, 4 minus 1. So AB square, 4 minus 3. Bring 3 to this side. AB square is 4 minus 3. So AB square is 1 and AB is what? Root 1. You know root 1 is also what? 1. So you got AB is what? 1. This is 1. So now we got the triangle, completed triangle. So complete right angle triangle we got. This is angle A and this side A and this is side B, side C we named it. And here we got 1 and this was root 3 and this was 2. These two are given. We found out is Pythagoras theorem and they want you to find sin A and tan A. From the triangle, what is sin A? Sine means what? Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is what? 1. Hypotenuse is 2. 1 by 2. And they want tan A. What is tan A, dear students? All of you know tan A is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. Base is root 3. Opposite by base. Opposite is 1 and base is root 3. 1 by root 3. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent or opposite by base. Opposite is 1, base is root 3. 1 by root 3. They wanted sin A and tan A. Sin A is 1 by 2 and tan A is 1 by root 3. Then if secant A is 13 by 12 and A is acute, then find sin A plus cos A. They want you to find sin A plus cos A. They give only secant A. Again, we'll draw a right angle triangle, and they have given angle as A. So I should call this angle as A, and I'll name this triangle as, let us name this triangle as PQR, some name. So it will become easy because here we have A, no confusion. So now this is 90 degrees, and you know opposite to angle A is called as opposite side. Opposite to 90 degrees, this is hypotenuse and this is base. So now we need to fill this. So for that they gave secant A. What is secant A given in the problem? Secant A they gave exactly 13 by 12. This is secant A. And you know secant is the reciprocal of what? Cos. So from this implies you can write cos now. What is cos A? Cos A is the reciprocal of 13 by 12. It will become 12 by 13. 12 by what? 13. Dear students, cos is the reciprocal, but you know the definition of cos. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. Cos means base by hypotenuse. So in the place of base, this is base you put 12. In the place of hypotenuse put what? 13. 12 by 13. So now we need PQ, Pythagoras theorem. So from triangle PQR, so Pythagoras theorem, PR square, hypotenuse is what? PR. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus what? QR square. And you know the value of PR. P to R is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 13. Hypotenuse square is equal to PQ. We need to find PQ, unknown. PQ square plus QR. Q to R is what? 12. 12 square. So now we'll simplify this. That will give you 13 square is 169 is equal to PQ square plus QR square. 12 square is 144. So rearrange 169 minus 144 is PQ square. So simplify this, it will become 25. PQ square is 25. So PQ is what? Root 25. What is root 25? 5. So now you got PQ, complete the triangle. So you got the P to Q length, that is 5. So now we'll go to the triangle. So what is the triangle we got? So we assume the triangle as what? P, Q and R, and they have so we filled all the values. So opposite side is 5. This is opposite side, and we also got base is what? 12. This was given 12, and hypotenuse was given, that is 13. 13 is what? Hypotenuse. If you know, you can find any triangle. We need sin A plus cos A. They want what? Sin A plus cos A. So now to find sin A plus cos A. So what is sin A, dear students? Sin means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side is what? 5. By hypotenuse is what? 13. Plus cos A. What is cos A? 12. 12 by 50. 12 by 13. So now what is the LCM? 13. Numerator 5 plus 2 7. 7 by 13. Therefore they want you to find sin A plus cos A, and you got the value of sin A plus cos A. Sin A plus cos A is exactly what? 17. 12 plus 5. 17 divided by 3. 17 by 3. That's it. 5 by 13 plus 5, 17 by 13, sorry. So 5 by 13 plus 12 by 13, put together it becomes 17 by 13. Now cos A is 12 by 13, find other 5 trigonometric ratios. Find trigonometric ratios we need to find. They gave angle as A, and we'll name this as PQR triangle. I'll name it as PQR, and you know opposite to A is called as opposite side, and opposite to 90 degrees we call it as hypotenuse, and this is base. And they gave one trigonometric function cos A. They have given cos A. Cos A they gave is 12 by 13. You know definition of cos. Cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. So you know base and hypotenuse. So the base is 12 and hypotenuse is 13. And now Pythagorean, see, if you solve, you will get 5. Last case we have done it. So if you see the same 12 by 13. So solve it, you will get 5 Pythagorean triplets are from triangle PQ square. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Use Pythagoras theorem. And PR is what? 13 square is equal to PQ unknown square plus what? QR. QR is 12 square. And rearrange and you will get the value. The value will get what? 5. So now cos, you know, 12 by 13 base by this, and you got all the sides. They want you to find all other trigonometric functions. So now we'll go to sin A. All of you know what is sin? Opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? 5. What is hypotenuse? 13. 5 by 13. And tan A. What is tan A? Tan A is base, opposite by base. Opposite is 5, base is 12. 5 by 12. And then reciprocals we'll write. Cosecant A. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so it will be 13 by 5. Reciprocal of 5. Sine is 5 by 13. Cosecant will be what? 13 by 5. And secant A. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. Cos is 12 by 13. Secant is 13 by 12. And cot. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. So tan is 5 by 12. Cot is 12 by 5. So hope all of you got this. Now cos is 4 by 5, find all other trigonometric functions. So they give cos as 4 by 5. So we'll construct a triangle. So I'll take this angle as A, and again I'll name this triangle as PQR. And so here they give cos A. All of you know this, if this is hypotenuse, this is the right angle, then this is hypotenuse, and now this is opposite side is opposite to A is opposite side, and this is base, and this is hypotenuse. Now cos A is given. What is cos A given? 4 by 5. You know cos means what? Base by hypotenuse. So this is base by hypotenuse. So now they give base and hypotenuse, fill them. So base is 4. This is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. I told you 3, 4, 5 are what? 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. They give 4, 5. Missing number is 3. So fill this as 3. That's it. Or use right angle Pythagoras theorem. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. You will arrive at this. Now remaining 5 trigonometric functions we'll write one by one. Sin A. What is sin A? Opposite. What is sin theta? Opposite by hypotenuse. Sin A is what? 3 by 5. Opposite is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. And then tan A. What is tan A? Opposite by base. Opposite is 3. Base is 4. 3 by 4. And cosecant A. Reciprocal of sin is cosecant. Cosecant A is reverse of it. Sin is 3 by 5. Cosecant is reverse 5 by 3. And tan is 3 by 4. Cot is reciprocal. Cot is 4 by 3. And then what is the cos? We know. Secant we need to find. So secant is reciprocal of cos. Cos is 4 by 5. Secant is 5 by 4. So we got all other 5 trigonometric functions are ratios. Then x is a cos theta, y is a sin theta. Show that x square plus y square is equal to a square. So now take LHS. Consider LHS. What is LHS? X square plus y square. So what is x? A cos theta. So it will become a cos theta the whole square plus what is y? Y is a sin theta. They give y value. A sin theta the whole square. So now take square inside. So I can take a square and cos square theta. You know a b the whole square means a square b square. A square will be for a as well as cos theta. And if you take inside square, so you'll get a square sin square theta. What is common in both? A square. Take a square out. If I take a square common, it will become cos square theta plus sin square theta. All of you know trigonometric identity. What is a trigonometric identity? You'll have a square into, so cos square theta plus sin square theta or sin square theta plus cos square theta. One and the same. You know a plus b is same as b plus a. It is 1. So this will give you a square into 1 is a square. This is RHS. So dear students, here we used one of the identity. What is the identity? Very important. Sin square theta plus cos square theta in maths is what? 1. What is sin square theta plus cos square theta? 1. So here we have sin square theta plus cos square theta. Instead of sin square theta plus cos square theta, I am writing 1. A square into 1 is a square. That's it. So 3 identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. You should be thorough with all 3 identities. Now, next problem we have x is a cos cube theta, y is a sin cube theta. Show that x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is a power 2 by 3. Similar, we'll take LHS now. So, we'll take LHS. What is LHS? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3. In the place of x, substitute the value of x. What is the value of x? A cos cube theta. A cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3. In the place of y, you take a sin cube theta. A sin cube theta whole power y 2 by 3. Now use law of indices. All of you know law of indices. So we have learned a power m whole power n. What is a power m whole power n? A power m whole power n can be written as a power m into n. That's why law of indices, theory of indices chapter is most important. Now what I'll do, I'll take 3 out. So now in these two, see, I'll take 2 by 3 inside. A power 2 by 3 I'll take inside into cos cube power 2 by 3. Cos cube theta power 2 by 3. This power 2 by 3 will be for both. Similarly, again take 2 by 3 inside, so it will become a power 2 by 3 into sin cube theta power 2 by 3. Now, a power 2 by 3 is common, so let it be a power 2 by 3. Now, I'll use law of indices. A power m whole power n can be written as a power m into n. So, I'll write this as cos theta whole power 3 into 2 by 3. And similarly, here I have a power 2 by 3. So, I'll write sin theta whole power 3 into 2 by 3. So now 3 cancels, here also 3 cancels. So we are left out with a power 2 by 3 into cos square theta plus sin square theta. So our a power 2 by 3 I'll take out common. A power 2 by 3 if I take common, so I'm left out with what? So I'm left out with cos square theta plus sin square theta. So now, all of you know sin square theta plus cos square theta or cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So, a power 2 by 3 into 1 is a power 2 by 3. This is RHS. Here we are using identity as well as law of indices. What is the identity we are using? We are using sin square theta plus cos square theta or cos square theta plus sin square theta is what? 1. This is the identity we are using and this is the law of indices we are using. So, that will arrive at the result. So, next. X is a cos theta, y is b sin theta. They want you to prove x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to what? 1. As usual, take LHS. So let me consider LHS. What is LHS? X square by a square plus y square by b square. So now what is x? X is a cos theta the whole square by a square plus what is y square? What is y they gave? B sin theta. So b sin theta the whole square by b square. So now take square inside, so it will become a square cos square theta by a square plus take a square inside, so it will become b square sin square theta by b square. Now a square cancels, here b square cancels, we are left out with cos square theta plus sin square theta, or if you know cos square theta plus sin square theta or sin square plus theta plus cos square theta is 1, hence this is RHS. Hope all of you got this. So, by this, I conclude the session. So, please sit and revise all the basic definitions of trigonometric functions and reciprocals. Thanks for attending. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.